Teach me how to trade. First, let's connect our trading account. The server here is IC Markets SC Live 17. It's live. It's a live account. So IC Markets. We're searching MetaTrader 4. This is MetaTrader 4 app. We say SC. Let's type IC, not SS, SC, SC. All right. We are going to Live 17. There we go. Yeah. We press here. Then we have to type in our login ID. This login ID there, 17 00 14 2140. Type in my password here. All right. Just like that. All right, we've entered the wrong password, so we have an error of invalid account. So let's actually enter the right password here and save password also. Okay, the account now will be connected. All right, the account is connected. History, we see deposit, money that we deposited. Settings, we see the account there. Now, let's head over to our YouTube channel. All right, this is Bozza Trader. Playlist, go to playlist. We have steps here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. So please make sure that you watch all the steps so that you understand everything that you need to do about trading Forex. Now, if you have opened your trading account, you have a trading account already, all that you have to do is now use the platforms. We have C-Trader, we have MetaTrader 4, we have MetaTrader 5. So if I go to MetaTrader 5, we can trade any assets. We can go to codes. We don't go here. I know some of you will be coming here trying to connect your account. What we were doing there, we were connecting an IC Markets account. And for you to actually open a trading account with IC Markets, you will go to our YouTube channel, Bozza Trader. You press here, then you will see IC Markets. Then you open a trading account. We have a tutorial as to how to open a trading account with IC Markets and follow the steps there. Simple, if you have any difficulties. Now, all that you have to do is for you to start trading. If I press here, you see we have, this is my real account, this is demo account when I was teaching how to open trading account. And we can go to MT5. We have trading view also. I can go to MT5 to what? Go to settings, IC Markets account is connected. When I press here, only IC Markets is connected here. Simple, you see? So now I can go to codes, I can trade any assets. And this is a real account that I'm actually showing you. I'm showing you real accounts on MT4, on MT5. This is actually a real account also. But this is a demo account for you to practice. Now you go to trade, you'll be able to see whether you're making money or you're losing money. You can close trades just like this. You can go to codes, choose any asset that you like, press it, press chart, press this icon here, press buy, or you press sell, just like that. Then you'll be able to see position is opened like this. It is that simple. Then you'll be able to set your stop loss, your take profit. That's how you do it, all right? Now, same thing goes in here. You go to these assets, you can choose advanced, you can choose simple. We have another tutorial where I teach you how to actually use these platforms. So I'm not gonna go through how to use this platform, but trading itself is buying and selling, doing your analysis. That's it. Nothing much, nothing more. So you can go to trade and monitor whether you're losing money or you're profiting money, right? You start using a demo account before you go to a real account. That's it. So if you're busy asking how to start trading, now that I've opened a trading account, I have a trading account, what do I do? What next, right? How to teach me how to trade Forex. Everything is here for you on our channel. Playlist is there for you. So if you are looking to start, you're looking to understand how to trade, everything is there for you. So please make sure that you follow the steps. It's simple, it's easy. Anybody can do it. You just have to put in the work, all right? Make sure that you show up every day, you start learning. That's all. I love you all. I wish you all the best. May God bless you. on your journey to start trading. I love you all.